this is Mary. Thank you for watching this video. If you did find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and like it. I'd like to show you this Travato. It's a 59 GL 2022, brand new. So let's look at some of the features that we've got here. So you have this table that will be for the passenger's seat, and then you've got a table that goes with this. So this is actually a 4-person van. You've got a really nice screen here with the magnetized lock so you can come in and out easily. And look at this little feature right here. This is your outlet plug right here. So for that table, really nice features in here. Come on back. Stainless steel sink, lots of nice counter space here in this one. And you've got shelving up above. And this is your fridge. Let's show you. This is a little cabinet for pantry stuff, or it could be for hanging because there's a little hanging rod and a little mirror right here. That's cute. So, and this is your Murphy bed. So this will come down. It gives you a lot of space underneath. You can actually pass through and go through the back. If you had a bike or a kayak, it would fit easily in here. But the advantage of having a Murphy bed is that you get a bigger bathroom. Look at this bathroom space, fully enclosed in there. Then this door comes and wraps around. So it just gives you more space in the bathroom area. So if you'd like this Travato, please give me a call. My name is Mary. My number is 406-850-4590. I'd love to work with you.